Hi guys, welcome to Gladi Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about how to buy Saitama Inu Token on Trustwallet. So guys, before I dive in, if you're new to this channel, do well to tap on the subscription button, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video like this. I do video on app related issue and how to make money online. So for you to be able to buy your Saitama Inu Token, this is what you have to do. First of all, go to your coin market cap. Okay, on coin market cap, let me look for my coin market cap. Okay, so this is my coin market cap. The next thing I have to do here is to search for Saitama. Okay, Saitama Inu. Now I have to go to the scroll down, look for the contract list, the contract address. Sorry. Okay, you can go to the market here and get it direct by tapping on this, then scroll down. You can see the contact address here. Saitama, we have the Saitama contact address. Just tap on the copy link, copy the contract address. Then if you want to be sure if you buy this Saitama Inu Token, just all you have to do is to check the market price. So this is the worth of Saitama market price as of today, 7 days ago. This is the worth. So for the next thing you have to do is to go to your Trust Wallet this time. So my Trust Wallet. This is my Trust Wallet. I have to enter my passcode. Then what I have to do now is to tap on Discover. Then tap on Palm, search for Pancake. Okay, Pancake Exchange. Pancake Swap Exchange. So if you just tap Pancake, this is how the interface will look like. Then what you have to do is to make sure that this your Trust Wallet is being funded with Ethereum, either directly by you funding it directly, or you fund it through another account. By what you have to do is this. Let me go back before I continue. Let's go to home. You can fund it through here by copying your link and type in Ethereum. Copy your link and send the money that you want to send. You can see set amount. Send the money that you want to send into this Ethereum, or through another wallet. You can easily fund it. So let me go back to what I have for today, which is how to buy your. So let me go back to Palms. Okay, so this is my Pancake Swap Finance. This is I'm going to convert my Saitama Inu Token to Ethereum by entering my contact address. So what I have to do is to enter the contact address that I just copied. Then now I can okay, manage token, common token. I can now select the token that I wish to convert it to. So these are the list of tokens. Let me see. Okay, this is it. Ethereum has come out. So now Saitama has, in the link that I copied, Saitama token has come out. So I now tap on imports. So now these are the rules. Anyone can create token on Ethereum with any name, including creating fake version of existing token and token that claim to represent project that do not have a token. If you have purchased a fraudulent token, you may be exposed to permanent loss of fund. So please take note of this and know that in buying crypto or any of this coin, you just have to be careful in order not to get more loss than you expect. So tap on understand. Then now I can now import it. So I've imported Santima into my Trust wallet. So for me to buy, what I have to do is to enter the amount that I want to buy. Then the slippage tolerance, I can leave it like this or increase it to the number that I wish. Like I like 12%, so I can increase it to 12% if I want to. Then now I enter the amount of Satima Iron token that I wish to buy, and then tap on buy. So you can see buy cake, then I can now buy the amount that I wish to buy. So guys, if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and then do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video like this. Thanks for watching.